you're sure it was her?
Totally! She even autographed my t-shirt!
Ah,
You know how much this thing is worth?
Skid, get out of there!
Hold on a sec, bro. Somebody's coming. Hey, if you dudes are here about the shirt, the bidding starts at 300 bolts. Whoa, chill out, man. Hey!
Skid's in trouble. We better get back to the Obani Moons.
This is the testing laboratory for the Biobliterator.
Let's see what Nefarious has been up to.
Whoa! Like I never knew you were this kinky, Miss Gears.
Don't you ever shut up.
Okay, I'll zip it. Man, the guys aren't gonna believe this.
Like, destroy all squishies, dude.
What? They turned Skid into a robot? That's impossible!
I am sorry, Ratchet. This is all my fault.
Knock it off, Clank. Nefarious did this, and he is gonna pay for it. For Metropolis and for what he did to Quark and Skid. You and I are gonna make sure of that. Come on, let's get off this planet before we end up dead.
Why would Quark lie to us?
Dude, Quark is bogus, bogus, bogus.
You can ask him yourself when we see him. According to this vid comic, Quark has a secret hideout in the Thran asteroid belt. I've got a hunch he's there right now.
He says he wants to come with us.
I don't think that... Oh, wait a minute. You speak monkey?
Oh, just enough to get by.
Now what?
He says you have ears like a Florana dung beaver.
Yeah, hilarious. Let's see if he's still laughing when he finds out his pal Quark is working with Nefarious.
Well, he got that monkey off his back.
Hi everybody, my name is Oliver. And I'm a dog, and I can't wait to race against other plush buddies. Wow, look at this bedroom! It's doggone awesome! Wow, I can't believe I'm going to be hanging against the wall. Not bad for a beagle dog. Alex? What is it, Oliver? I think my nose is a little itchy, and I think I'm gonna, never mind, false alarm. Achoo!
Oliver, you are out.
I sneeze out of the competition.
What are you doing here? What?
We're here to rescue you, but you need to tell us what the twins have you working on.
Nothing. It's just this pet project I had back at the office. Certainly nothing illegal. Just a tiny, insignificant, trans-dimensional portal device.
What sort of trans-dimensional portal device?
What's going on down here?
I'm hosting my book club. You want to join?
No. As you were.
We don't have a lot of time. We'll have to do this quickly.
Begging your pardon, but do what quickly?
What did you do to him?
Trans-dimensional software upgrade. I'm gonna have to give you a crash course.
Yeah, what do you want us for? I don't know. I got a pretty good look on her, even though she's a skunk. I have the most powerful nose in the world. Yeah, that's true. Wow, wowzers. I can't believe I'm working with Lisa and Alex and Sally Hopperson in Alliance. This is gonna be cool. I can hardly wait to show Sally, Sashay, and Genevieve what they're made of. They're sort of pretty, but I trust Lisa.
What the... Where is everyone?
I tried to tell you, Ratchet. The database said this planet was deserted ages ago.
Clank, You see that? It's an old ship.
Very old, it would seem.
We have to fix her.
Ratchet, we must be practical. Tachyon will find the pod's flight codes. He will be here any minute.
Clank, please. I need to fix her.
Oh, very well.
Thanks, Lisa. Stella, you are safe. A Parabeetle competition? Awesome!
Oliver, you're next.
Okay, this is gonna be easy as pie. Especially pumpkin pie. Ugh!
Congratulations, Oliver. You're still in.
Yeah, but I like the Beverly Hillbillies better than Gilligan's Island.
Now I've got you. It can't be. You're Caden's son. Forgive me. General Alistair Azimuth, Formal Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research, and you, my dear boy, look just like your father.
I have so many questions. How did you know him?
Caden and I were good friends. He was a great Lombax, smart as they could come. He was the first outsider to theorize that the Great Clock even existed.
And this clock. You think Clank's in there?
Clock is a rather crude translation of the runes on Quantos. Specifically, they say Keeper of Time. But yes, I suspect he is. You see, according to Fungoid lore, the Zoni are the guardians of time. If your friend is connected to them, he must play some part in its operation. Now, where are those blasted things?
Wait, I thought my father was the only one to stay behind when the Lombaxes left. Why didn't you go with them?
Sometimes the universe has a cruel sense of humor. Ah, here they are. Your father's hover boots. Ready for your first lesson.
Okay, here goes nothing. 1, 2. Ugh.
Congratulations, Oliver. Your head touched the Beverly Hillbillies DVD.
I think I like Oliver and Company or something. I don't know.
Oliver, you may go first this time.
Okay. Oh, come on!
I'm sorry, Oliver, but you're eliminated.
Oh man, this is so hard for me to decide who I'm gonna vote out. So I think I'm gonna vote out Genevieve because I love Sally Sashay. Even though she's a skunk, I just love her beautiness. Hi Sally Sashay. It's me, Oliver. And I really didn't want you to go because you're such a dream skunk. But don't worry, I'll do my best to win the games for you. Trust me. Okay. Don't be scared. Here I go.
You're in.
Okay. Huh. Yeah!
You're still in.
Okay.
Oh, doggone it, you're out.
Oh man. So, who shall we nominate? Oh, come on. I'm madly in love with Moonlight. She's the best canine ever. Oh! Sorry. The reason why I'm in love with Moonlight because she's a canine just like me, and she's howls a lot just like me. I'm a beagle, and a beagle is a true hound, a hound's hound. Thanks, Bubbles. Caroline, you are safe. Oh! Moonlight! I love you, I love you, I love you!
Oliver.
Okay. Here goes nothing.
Yeah! Woohoo! I got one in!
Really close. Super close. Really close. Yeah, what are we gonna do? Well, except me. I would do anything for you, Moonlight, because I still love you. I vote to evict Caroline. So, Alex, who are you gonna nominate now, my friend? Thanks, Alex. You're a great friend. Bubbles, you are safe. Ow! I'm so happy. Me 5. Me 6. Oh, it's squeezing me tight. Stop it! You're making too much noise. Wait a second. Why is everybody grunted together?
Because this thing is so tight.
Oh, really? I think I'm getting squished because I'm really uncomfortable in this thing.
Yeah, let's just get out. Ready, set, jump. I'm sorry, Oliver and Genevieve, but you two are both out.
Run circles around these guys? Sounds like a nice vacation.
Yeah, I'm up for a little friendly competition.
Hey, y'all, can I say something? Then I saw her face.
I'm feeling much better already. I vote to evict Genevieve. But at least I didn't vote you out. I voted out Caroline.
You all are gonna pay for this.
Except me.
Which means Oliver is HOH. Ow! Ow! Yeah! Take that, baby! Woohoo!
Okay, everybody. It's time to enter to my HOH room. Wow, wowzers. Mario Kart Wii! I remember playing this game when I was a pup. And wow, the Fox and the Hound movie. I remember watching this as a pup too. Wow. It's a picture of me and my new look on a tissue box. Aw, there's a figurine of myself. It was made from Etsy too. And there's a note. Dear Oliver, great job on winning the HOH competition. Your mom and I were so proud. And so did the other puppies. Don't forget to bring home $100 when you win. Yours truly, your brother Troy. Hi Troy, if you're watching this, thank you for the letter. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. Okay. I'm pretty curious of what's gonna happen upstairs. Well, hopefully I'll get something good and the others will get something bad, but we'll see. What's with the lamp?
Oliver, I hate to tell you this, but this is something bad.
Oh, doggone it. Not good.
You'll have to stand near the lamp for at least an hour.
An hour? Good grief.
and you'll be sweating most of the time for an hour. But don't worry, we will let you take a shower when you're done. Oh, dang it! Just because of the stupid hot lamp. 1 hour later, Oliver, you may come downstairs right now. Finally. I'm sweating to death.
Mr. Sandman, you bring me a dream. Make his complexion like peaches and cream. Give it to lips like roses and clover. And tell me that my lonesome nights are over. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. Well, folks, we got a salute to the 50s coming up. But before we begin, let's bring out that fragrant little blossom from Biloxi, Sashay. Well, Sal, it's good at disco skunk. How come you doing these 50 songs? Well, because I did a lot of singing in the 50s. Back before I was the disco skunk. Oh, yeah.
I've died and gone to nerd heaven. Look at this. They have my blaster runs on. Before I'm going with a stick